Welcome to PROTEC by Bruno, Techniseal's how-to video for the successful installation of NOCO Polymeric Joint, an alternative to mortar and stone dust jointing. NOCO is the ideal product for jointing flagstones, natural stones, and other sensitive materials. We're using traffic lights as a quick guide to doing things the right way. When using NOCO with flagstones or natural stones, follow guidelines from the Natural Stone Institute. For concrete pavers and slabs, install base and hardscape products according to CMHA specifications. Always follow manufacturer's recommendations. How much product do you need? A 50-pound bag covers up to 120 square feet when used on narrow joints, and 10 to 40 square feet on wide joints. For a more precise evaluation of NOCO's coverage, please refer to the product calculator at Techniseal.com. Joint width must be between 1/4 of an inch and 4 inches. The minimum joint depth is 1.5 inches. Never add NOCO over old sand joints, often referred to as capping. Before you begin, make sure to wear adequate protective gear and gather all necessary tools. Always read the complete instructions found on the back of the bag and in the technical data sheet available at Techniseal.com. Test NOCO on a small area of approximately 4 square feet to make sure product and color meet your expectations. Because the product comes from a natural source, color and grain size may vary. Temperature must remain above 50 degrees Fahrenheit for the entire installation and drying period. Due to NOCO's unique properties, it is mandatory that the installation be protected from rain for 24 hours after installation. For wider joints and installation in colder temperatures, 48 hours without rain may be required. Sprinkler system must be turned off 24 hours before and remain off for 24 hours after installation of the jointing product. Let's get going. Step 1. On a dry surface, spread product evenly on pavers. Using a street broom with semi-rigid bristles, spread NOCO over short distances to fill joints completely. Make sure to cover all areas. Remove all excess NOCO from the surface of the pavers with the broom. While compaction is not required with NOCO, it can improve joint strength if permitted by the stone or paver manufacturer's recommendations. Level the joint height of NOCO and remove all sand residue from the surface with the leaf blower. This step will help control the height of the joints. Using a small brush, smooth down joints to ensure a uniform finish after activation. Sand level should be 1/8 of an inch below the top of the pavers. Failure to have recessed joints could lead to premature joint degradation. Proper sand level will also channel activation water into the joints efficiently. Step 2. Activating the sand is an important installation step. Adjust the hose nozzle to the shower setting. If joints are less than 1/2 inch, define a 100 square foot section. If joints are between 1/2 inch and 4 inches, your defined area should be 50 square feet. Complete one section at a time before moving on to the next section. Starting from the bottom of the slope to prevent runoffs, quickly shower your defined area. If joints are less than 1/2 inch, wet the defined 100 square foot area for 30 seconds. If joints are between 1/2 inch and 4 inches, wet the defined 50 square foot area for up to 60 seconds. For installations on concrete overlays, watering times will be reduced. Refer to the technical data sheet for precise watering times. Check for water accumulation at the surface of the jointing product as a cue to stop watering. Wait 30 seconds until there is no free water at the surface of the joint, and verify the depth of activation using a utility knife. If NOCO is activated at 75% or more of its depth, stop watering. If activated at less than 75%, water for an additional 10 seconds and check again after 30 seconds. As soon as wetting is completed, use a leaf blower to blow the excess water off the surface of the pavers. This will remove any standing water and prevent any polymeric haze or whitish veil from forming. Move on to the next section and repeat the activation steps. Avoid overwatering, as this will significantly lengthen the curing time and may compromise product performance. Avoid creating runoffs, as this could wash out some of the binders. Drying time is shorter in warm, dry conditions and longer in cool, damp weather or when joints are wider than a half an inch. Wait for a minimum of 7 days after installation and ensure that the joint has hardened before cleaning and sealing the surface. The use of cleaning devices such as high-pressure washer is restricted during the first 30 days. We hope this short video helps you take advantage of all NOCO's potential. And remember, NOCO is a clean, fast, and durable alternative to mortar and stone dust. NOCO is specifically developed for projects where mechanical compaction is not possible, making it ideal for use with natural stone. Joint height adjustment is important. Proper sand activation is paramount. For more information on NOCO or other Techniseal products, we invite you to visit techniseal.com or our YouTube channel.